even now, when there's someone else who cares, when there's someone home who's waiting just for me.
First of all, we got Mr. Anthony Newley. What kind of fool am I? What do I know of life?
Anyway, I win the Gibraltar Song Festival, and who's in the audience but Dorothy, because they'd asked her to go out to sing a special anthem they'd written for Gibraltar. She said, "What are you doing?" And she gave me the date. I can't remember it now, but it was 1970. And I looked at my diary and said, "Oh, I'm probably in Lucker Workman's," I said. She said, "No, you're not. You're doing the Palladium with me." I said, "What?"
Hiya, I'm here for the job interview. Stacey Shipman?
Can you make tea?
Yes.
Coffee?
Yes.
When can you start?
Oh, Stace!
Sorry, Marco.
Come on, I got 7 Elvises. You're all gasping for a cappuccino.